Hello and welcome here at Škoda. Today I'm very happy to present you the all-new Škoda Elroq, together with my colleagues Karl Neuhold and Chan Park, who will join me in this presentation. The Elroq is our first compact electrical SUV and is the first car that also contains the modern solid design language. The modern solid design language is based on three key values, which are very important. It's solid, functional and authentic, and this you see everywhere around and inside of the car. So now I ask Karl Neuhold to join me to explain me a little bit more about the exterior design.
The all-new Škoda Elroq shows us a face of the modern solid design language. Therefore, first of time we incorporate here the Škoda wordmark, which offers us a really wide power dome. Additional to this, under it runs the Škoda typical line, which describes the so-called deck fades, having here as an electronic device here the daylight functions and the indicators on the side, and in the middle part a shiny black module here incorporating the radar and the other modules. On the bottom part you see as well a very robust character for a front bumper, having here some robust materials over the top part. It shows the character of a compact SUV here with a streamlined roofline for a really good aerodynamics. The side profile is showing here some wave elements over the shoulders, a lot of contour on the side, and concludes the body side with some robust, strong materials. The rear shows a strong spoiler element. The Škoda lettering is here flanked by razor-sharp rear lamps, having here the seat design in segmented light elements. We show a really deep tailgate here, and bumper element is here concluded with a really robust, strong design.
And now my colleague Chan Park will tell you a little bit more about the interior.
Elroq interior provides huge space thanks to great package done by our engineering teams. And also it delivers really modernity of the cockpit space, also with some upgraded HMI design. And also one of the highlights of the cabin is our modern color and trim touch, thanks to Kate. So Kate, can you talk about the interior material?
Thank you, Chan. So as you mentioned already, we continue with the modern solid design language, our new DNA. As we already introduced in the previous cars, we replaced shiny chrome surfaces with the nice matte, unique dark chrome metallic paint. For the first time with Elroq, we are introducing more sustainable artificial leather, which you can see here and also in other trim levels on the dashboard, in the door, armrest, and of course in the seats as well. For the seats, we are using, as usual, textiles from recycled polyester materials. And I would like to mention the highlight, especially for this lodge interior. We are introducing for the first time colorful seat belt in this beautiful orange color.
Thanks for watching, and I hope you will enjoy the Elroq as much as we did it designing it.
Škoda.